Hey y'all, I hope you're having a fantastic day. In this video, I wanted to do a little bit of prayer journaling. I was reading in Matthew and I came across Matthew 8:27. The men were amazed and asked, "What kind of man is this? Even the winds and the sea obey him." Just kind of made me pause and think. Sometimes I just need to pause and take that extra time to really be in the Word, because it's easy just to grab the Bible and read, just to say that we've read it. Like, okay, I have to read this today, I need to get this out of the way, and you just read. But I need to make more of a conscious effort to really be more in awe of Jesus. If I find myself just kind of reading, I need to have more discipline and be like, stop and absorb it and take it in. Don't just read it to read it. Read it because this is the Word of God. Now, I'm not saying that I do this all the time. I'm not just reading just to read all the time. But sometimes I'm just reading and I'm just going and I'm just, you know how you just get into things, like how you're driving a car and you end up there and you're like, wait a minute, how did I end up here? Sometimes it's like that when I'm reading the Bible. Not all the time. I am quite often taking my notes, doing my verse mapping, journaling. My journaling is a little different than others, but a lot of time I really am studying. But if I just grab it and sit down, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So when I find myself doing that, I need to really pause and do better. And so my prayer journal for this video is going to be Matthew 8:27. The men were amazed and asked, "What kind of man is this? Even the winds and the sea obey him." Thank you guys so much for joining me for this prayer journal entry. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I will answer to the best of my ability. Thank you guys so much for being here. Bye.